Hey, I'm Quaker Rick, and welcome to the Joseph A. Quake Textile Emporium. Quaker quality for an affordable price. Thou art welcome. 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 That's right, folks. Introducing our newest innovation, price tags. Call in now, get the deal. Call later, get the deal. We don't give a sack of oats. What thou gets here, thou canst not get it anywhere else. Look at this quality. Look at this seam. That's right, folks. We invented price tags, and we slashed them in half. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, no. Ooh, this is not Quaker quality.
Joseph A. Quake. Thou art going to like the way thou lookest. I affirm it.